This video reveals how simple daily meals align with your body's fat-burning signals by balancing protein, fiber, and carbs. It explains macronutrient roles with real-world examples, showing how protein preserves lean muscle while fiber slows digestion for lasting fullness. The science of portion control meets practical swaps, turning grocery choices into a sustainable habit that reduces excess calories. Readers learn a quick food choice guide for energy stability, choosing nutrient-dense options that support metabolism and mood. If you love this information, like and save this content to stay motivated on your path to healthier eating today.